Ali bin Hussein states, after the martyrdom of Hazrat Hussein bin Ali radiyallahu anhu, when the living Yazid bin Muawiyah reached Medina Munawwara, he met Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama. Hazrat Miswar radiyallahu anhu said, tell me if you have any problem for me to solve. Hazrat Ali bin Hussein, Imam Zainul Abidin radiyallahu anhu said that he said to him, nothing. Hazrat Miswar radiyallahu anhu requested, would you please grant me the sword of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for I fear lest the people should snatch it from you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you grant it to me, no one will be able to snatch it from me as long as soul is in my body. Undoubtedly, when Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu proposed to Abu Jahl's daughter in the presence of Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, I heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressing the people on his pulpit, while I was then mature. Undoubtedly, Fatima is from me, and I fear she may be subjected to trials regarding her religion. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then mentioned his son-in-law, Abul As bin Rabi, who was from the progeny of Abd Shams, and praised the relation of his being son-in-law with him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, whatever he said to me, he meant it, and whenever he promised me, redeemed it. I make neither any lawful unlawful nor any unlawful lawful, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the daughter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the daughter of the enemy of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never be combined in one place. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6259.